felt like you can't get on top of things, or you have a lot of things to do pending, because that's exactly how I feel this morning. I have so much to do personally. My nails, my face, and my hair. Oh my god, I don't even want to begin to think about my hair. I think I need to do something about it like yesterday. So, this is a getting myself together, challenging myself also to see how much I can do for myself in a day. Because if I'm not vlogging this, other responsibilities will take over and I'll put myself behind. I'll put myself last as usual. So this vlog is actually a motivation to do something for myself, take care of myself, concentrate on myself for once. For once, concentrate on myself, put myself first. Because as a mom, you find out that you unconsciously you just put yourself last all the time. So I'm going to change that for myself today. I'm going to be like selfish today and see how much I can actually do for myself. So do this with me, guys. This is getting my life back together, hopefully. Oh my god, this room needs to be. I need to get this room together actually. But yeah, let's do that, guys. And I hope you enjoyed this video. Watch this video to the end, and let this be like motivation for you to do something nice for yourself, no matter how little. To be honest, do something nice for yourself today. And yeah, let's do that, guys. Guys, that was a really good bath. I was able to wash my hair and I'm very happy about that. I was thinking about loosening the hair, but I think I've changed my mind. I'm going to go with retouching the hair, like refreshing the braids so that it looks a lot um, neater. So that's what I'm going to do this morning, because I don't want to have my hair out and I've not even gotten the next extensions I'm going to use for my hair. So I don't like having it out for a very long time. I'll just refresh it and make sure I have the extensions at home before I loosen these braids. I have kids, guys. I can't be worrying about my hair being out and being all over the place and me having to comb my hair. If you have 4C hair, you understand the struggle. It's not very easy to maintain. I don't have 4C hair though. Do I even have 4C hair? Which one is 4C hair? I think 4C hair is the one that is not yet relaxed. But my hair is actually relaxed, so I guess it's not 4C, but it's still tough. My mic just fell off. As I was saying, my hair is relaxed, but it's still a lot to deal with, especially when I've not relaxed it for a while. So I don't want to have it all over the place. And yeah, it's just hectic. If you know, you know. So I'm just going to retouch it till I have the new extensions I want to put on. Then I can take it out immediately. But for now, I'm going to So this body spray, I got it from New Look one time when we went to that store. I just saw it though. I saw it there. It was not expensive, so I just took it. And this one, I got it from one shop where they sell perfumes and soaps and all that good stuff, like perfume, soaps, oils. Yeah, so nothing fancy. um I just finished the brushing. The next thing is to refresh my braids. I want to do it before leaving this room. You cannot even imagine how many things I'm ignoring to actually be here doing all this for myself. I can hear my baby. You know the little noises kids make when they are getting ready to cry. I can hear him. In the next 15 minutes, he's going to be screaming down this house. So I want to do as much as I can before I actually leave the room. And yeah, I just sprayed my perfume upstairs, and my mom, all the way from downstairs, could smell it, and now she wants me to bring it downstairs for her to see. I don't know if that's what she's actually smelling, because I don't believe that perfume is all that. It's not the body spray and the perfume. I don't think it's that fancy that anybody would like want to have. But I'm going to show her it with. Mama, go and give it to grandma. Junior grandma. Ifunanya, ị na-anụkwa ihe? I want to just do these ones in front. They are the priority because that's the one people see when they look at me. So if the ones in front are a bit neat, that's fine. That's enough for me. That's good enough for me, and it should be good enough for you too. Oh my goodness, did I just pull out my hair? What? Where did this come from? This is my hair. And I think it came from the roots. Let me not even shout. Because I don't know why my hair will be pulling like that. Forget that postpartum talk, even though it happens to some people. But I never thought it happened to me. Wow, whatever. Does he look better? So I think I'm done with this. It's going to be like this. Did I? Let me go and look at myself in the mirror, and I'll come back. It's not all there. It's not all that, but it looks better than before. Yeah. So it's better than nothing. Actually, it's better than doing nothing. At least now I know I have neat hair because I washed it, and also it just makes me feel better when I can't smell my hair. It smells good now. So yeah, I'm done with this first stage of taking care of myself. I'm going to go down now and have breakfast and give my mom the perfume and the body spray and just chat a little bit with family. So yeah, and I'm going to continue this video very soon. For now, let me just go do. Oh my goodness! When you have a toddler, tell me how you can make it all about yourself when you have a toddler. So now I'm going to continue this vlog very soon. Let me just go downstairs and see what's happening, and I'm going to carry you guys along also. I'll see you guys soon. Say bye. Bye. conclude this vlog, I was able to achieve some things, not a whole lot, but I was able to achieve some things. It felt good, like putting myself first, especially the in the morning, like early in the morning. I really put myself first. I washed my hair, even though it doesn't look like it now, but I actually did wash my hair, and I took time to like have a good bath. I wanted to do a manicure and pedicure, but I wasn't able to do that because other activities just took over. But yeah, I really enjoyed. I was able to like arrange the room, arrange my clothes. So I was able to do all that, and I was able to cook also. Yeah, I made food today for myself and for every other person. So it was really nice, like taking this time out to like just to think. And I wasn't able to work today. Like I really put my work first today. When I say work, I mean like content creation. I really put it, and I edited a video. And I'm also filming. Like yeah, I was able to achieve a whole lot, but I would have loved to do my nails, but I wasn't able to do that. And I don't want this video to like cross over to the next day, because I told myself that this is a 1 day thing. It's a 1 day thing that I just want to do, but I'll just find out time to like really do every other things. Yeah, so guys, I hope this motivates you to like do something nice for yourself. Put yourself first for for even if it's just 1 day. I know that 1 day is not enough actually, but even if it's 1 day, it will go a long way. Take it from me, and just have time to like think and just process your own thoughts. Put everything in the background. Yeah, and yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it motivates you to do something for yourself. Have that zen feeling, like you don't have to be in a rush all the time, because I feel like every time I'm in a rush, I'm rushing somewhere, I'm rushing to do something, I'm rushing to take care of someone, I'm always rushing. So in the morning, when I just like I attended to everything quite alright, but I was not like, okay, this time is for myself. I'm not going to pay attention to anything. And it was really good, to be honest. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for other videos on this channel. I'll be bringing out a lot more content for you guys, so stay tuned, and I hope I know you're going to enjoy them. So yeah, I'll see you in my next video. Bye.